Dry and cracked lips? How to get rid of a problem. Before we could look back, the summer was over. Autumn brought with it unstable weather, which is very detrimental to our immunity. Closer and closer the cold season. At this time of the year, many suffer due to the fact that the skin of the lips dries and very unpleasant consequences arise. What to do with such a problem? We will give you some useful tips. In order for the body to have enough moisture, you need to drink plenty of water, tea or juices. Thus, metabolism throughout the body is accelerated, and the lips are provided with enough fluid and the skin dries less. Lip elasticity requires iron and vitamin B12. Iron is found in meat, yolks, pistachios, legumes, sesame seeds or pumpkin seeds. Good suppliers of vitamin B12 are eggs, fish, meat, milk, and dairy products. Humidify the air. Wet air is more beneficial for the lungs and for the body as a whole. If you feel that you have problems with dry skin, solve the problem. A great solution would be a humidifier. Dry skin needs moisture. Buying petroleum jelly or cream is not a problem. Use hygienic lipsticks. They perfectly moisturize the skin. Carrot juice can also be very useful in this case. Use it more often and immediately see the result. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Make sure you check useful links in the video description below. Have a great day.